Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a plant-based jelly dessert. But before that, please click subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. That's what you need. I'm using these products and you can get them at the healthy food shop or supermarket. They are very easy to use. First, peel the kiwi's skin and chop into smallish pieces. $180 grams of frozen berries into a bowl and add the chopped kiwi. You can use any fruit you like. Put the chopped fruits into a mold. 250 grams of coconut water into a pot and add half teaspoon of agar powder and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Turn the heat to mid and simmer, stirring constantly until all ingredients melt. Once melted, pour the coconut water into a jug. Pour the coconut water into the mold. Place the mold in the fridge and leave 1 hour. Agar is quick to set, so move quickly. When the coconut water jelly is set, start making the coconut yogurt jelly. After the coconut water jelly is set, 100 grams of coconut milk into a pot. Add half teaspoon of agar powder, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla beans paste. Turn the heat to mid and simmer, stirring constantly until all ingredients melt. Once melted, pour the coconut milk into a bowl with 70 grams coconut yogurt. Pour the coconut yogurt into the mold and place the mold in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the jelly from the mold and onto a plate. Creamy coconut yogurt jelly and sweet and sour fruit jelly. Looks kawaii too. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you next video.